If you're using Jira to manage your tasks or projects, and you've ever wondered how to permanently remove a task you no longer need, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step exactly how to delete a task from your Jira board. And I'll also point out a few things to keep in mind so you feel confident that you're deleting the right item and that you understand what happens after. By the end of this video, you'll be able to tidy up your Jira project with ease, keeping only what's relevant and up to date. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up the Jira project that contains the task you want to delete. This project acts like a big container, holding all your related tasks, issues, and stories for a particular effort your team is working on. If you're using the sidebar, just click the project name. Make sure it's the correct one, especially if you have access to multiple projects, as deleting a task from the wrong project is permanent and can't be undone. Once you're in your project, the next step is to actually find the task you'd like to delete. Depending on your workflow setup, the task could be sitting in your backlog waiting to be worked on, or it might already be on your board in progress. I recommend using the search bar or filters if you have a lot of items on your list. This can save you time and help prevent any accidental deletions. It's a bit like looking for a specific card in a deck. Slow down for a moment to make sure you're on the right one. Sometimes tasks have similar names, and it's really easy to mix them up, so just double-check the task details if you want to be sure. Okay, now that you've pinpointed the task, hover over it and look for the More Actions menu. This is usually represented as 3 little dots, sitting in the corner of the task card or row. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes you need to click on the task to open its detailed view, and then the menu appears at the top. Think of this 3 dots menu as the Swiss Army knife of options for any Jira issue. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu full of actions you can take on the task. Out of all these options, find and select Delete. Jira tucks the Delete option away here to prevent accidental clicks, so you won't see it front and center. Don't rush. Take a quick scan to make sure you're not choosing something like Archive or Move, since those do very different things. Here's the important part. As soon as you click Delete, Jira is going to show you a warning. This isn't just a friendly nudge. This message is letting you know that this action is permanent. Once you confirm deletion, there is no undo. The task and all its history, comments, and attachments will be gone forever. This is your moment to pause and double-check. If you're absolutely sure, go ahead and confirm. Sometimes, especially in larger teams, it's good practice to give teammates a heads up before deleting important tasks. And that's it. The task will be removed from your project instantly, helping you keep your board uncluttered and relevant. If you don't see the delete option, it could be that you don't have permission, so you may need to talk to your project admin. I hope this helped make the process clear and straightforward for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I read everyone, and I'm happy to help. And if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.